All right, sugar tucks, basic, easy pattern, right? But if you take two hands over, which is what we're gonna do in this video, it's gonna put you in a funky handhold. We're gonna show you a couple of moves you can do from that. Stay to the end of the video and I'll show you 7 different tuck turn variations that you can use for West Coast swing. Is that if I have two hands, I can lead the sugar tuck and take the right hand over, so that way I can use the right hand to do something else, another cool move, right? So in that one, good etiquette, 1, 2, 3, and I flip both fingers the direction that Megan's turning. So she's got fingers to the sky. I have fingers going this direction. I lead both hands for 4. She still gives me that moment as I turn around 5 and 6, right? So that's with my right hand, sugar tuck with my right hand. Number 3 is a sugar tuck with both hands. Why would I want to do that? I don't know. We'll see. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So from here, maybe I lead a turn, fairly non-traditional, right? And why would I want to do that? Because now I have this handhold and I might do a pop-out, triple step, anchor step. So let's look at that because the turn back with two hands is pretty tricky. So the setup is the same, 3 and 4. I take the left hand over and the right hand over for 5 and 6. I lead the turn for 1, 2. 1, 2. This is tricky because it's going to be my left hand that's actually leading most of this turn. Just as it would be, I don't want to untie our hands, but my left hand, let's do this baby step style. My left hand is leading the turn and my right hand follows afterwards. And then from here, maybe I just want to do this like little pop to make a little accent, right? All right, if you're interested in seeing how all the patterns nest together, there's something called a pattern tree chart. You can download it right here for free. It will show you how you can take a whip and build it into a bunch of different patterns, literally like a branch of a tree. And if you just want to see another video called the 9 inside turn variations we did, it's pretty slick. You watch it right here.